Guys, so I've just washed my hair and we are going to get into the process of how I love to style my hair. It is my go-to. It's the thing that makes me feel confident on photo shoots a lot of times. So I'm going to walk you through that process of how I style my hair normally and the products that I use to do so. Like I said, I just washed my hair. And the towel that I'm using is from the Curly Co. It's a microfiber towel. I love this towel. It absorbs a lot of the water. So I'm going to just use my wet brush and I'm going to detangle and section my hair, and then we will get into the real work. So if you have not done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Don't forget to click the little bell so you're notified when another upload is on the channel. And let's get into this because it might be a little while. Let's get into this video. Okay, so now the real work begins. I have blow dried my hair, and now we're going to get into the process of flat ironing and curling my hair. So for me, I like to do like a two-part process when it comes to like flat ironing and curling my hair. So I will show you what that looks like. And what else I was going to tell you? I was going to tell you something else. What else was it? This is still kind of sectioned back here. So this is the process. I normally do this in my bathroom. So if it looks kind of awkward, it's because I'm in a space that I normally don't do it in. So I'm going to just put this side up, and we're going to work the smaller side first and get it completed. And hopefully it shouldn't take too long now. Like, the blow drying part is over with. Oh, by the way, the product that I like to put on my hair when I get to the flat iron part is this here. It is the Enchanted Timeless Radiance. It's a heat treat, and this is by Regis Design Line. So that is what I'm going to be Regis design line. And I'm missing a single clip to hold the rest of this hair back. But I had a long one in here. Okay, all right, let's get started. That is it. I'm finally done. Yeah, so it takes a little while, but it's so worth it. And the reason why I normally just flat iron the roots because I want this part to be straight and I want to be able to curl this section backwards. So if I take the flat iron all the way down, I'm not going to be able to curl that. Like, I just won't. It's just not going to go back. So this is my go-to style, and I didn't curl the curls too tight just because I wanted to have some room, and I'm going to be recurling it later. And the only last thing I want to tell you really quick is that as far as holding this style, I use the Yall hairspray. This, oh, there we go, the Yall. And it is a Curl Last Flexible Hold hairspray for all hair types. So that's what I spray on it, and it leaves my hair like really flexible. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. If so, give it a thumbs up, and if there's somebody interested that you just may want to share it to, please do so. And if you have any questions or comments for me, drop them down below. I'll make sure to get back to you. All other product descriptions as well as more pictures can be found over on the website at www.tiffanydbrown.com. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.